In this video, I'll show you how to add an MCP server. MCP servers are how your agents get new tools. Under Build, the MCP Servers page lists every server in the project. Each one is a small config, a command for stdio, or a URL for SSE, plus the tools you allow. Let's add a new one. This opens the MCP Catalog. Pre-built servers you can install in one step. Filter by category or search. If what you need isn't in the catalog, Add Custom gives you a blank server to configure by hand. We'll take Grafana. Let's click Install. Everything is pre-filled from the catalog. The connection config is ready to go. What you add is yours. The service account token goes straight into the project vault, never into the config. And allowed tools is the important part. Your agents only get the tools you enable here. You can even install the same server twice, with different tool sets for different agents. Install. The server is live. One step left. Tools reach agents through their role. On the agent's MCP Servers panel, add Grafana, and every run this agent makes from now on has those tools available. And here it is working. An alert fires, and the root cause analyst pulls dashboards, queries Prometheus, and searches the logs, straight through the Grafana tools it was given. No glue code, no API wrappers, just tools. That's it. Catalog, secret, tools, done. The full MCP guide is in the docs. And see you in the next video.